Most of you are saying that doing a job is more secure than involved in a business. It's not true. In this 21st century, it is not true. Doing a job is the most insecure thing. When you start a business or when you involve in any business, it is very important to know the level of risk involved with that business opportunity. So in this video, I will compare the risk level between a job and a traditional business and network marketing. So you will understand how less risky to be a part of this industry, network marketing. So let's move on. Job. What is the level of risk in a job? What do you think? So you work for an organization. If there is a person better than you, who works faster than you, who is more creative than you, what is going to happen to you? The organization is going to replace you with that person. So you are going to lose your job. So is there a risk? Yes, of course. There's a huge risk. You have to make sure that you stay ahead always, better than others, faster than others, and more reliable than others, and working even harder than others, and working even smarter than others to make sure your position is always safe. If someone overtake you, you are going to lose your job. You are going to lose your position. So now think about this virus. Because of this virus, what happened? The companies can't afford to pay. Because companies are not taking any revenue into their organizations. So how can they pay? They can't pay. So what is going to happen to your job? You are going to lose it. They are going to fire all of you. Why? They need to survive. How to survive? Fire all of you. Right? But most of the established companies are trying still to support all the employees. But most of the organizations are now downsizing. Why? Because they can't survive. In order for them to survive, they need to either not pay any salaries to those employees or else fire most of them. So that is the huge risk involved in doing a job. Most of you are saying that doing a job is more secure than involved in a business. It's not true. In this 21st century, it is not true. Doing a job is the most insecure thing because once you lose it, there's no income flowing into your home. So let's move on to a traditional business. Let's say a business you started with an investment of $1 million. So you have few employees, you are paying them salary, and you are doing some production, you are selling some products, you are developing some products and you are selling some products. So let's take a simple example. You have an organization. So what this organization is doing? Selling a product. Let's say a mobile phone. Okay. So to sell mobile phones, number one, you need to do research and development. For that, you have to spend money. What else you have to do? You have to spend money on salaries. You have to spend money on production. You have to spend money on all these taxes and other utilities. What else you have to spend money on if you are doing a traditional business? You have to spend a huge amount of money on marketing or advertisements. Right? And you have to spend more money on transport, inventories, products handling. All of these things you have to spend more money, right? So by doing all of these expenses, if you can't get a good income, good profit, what is going to happen to you in the next month? Every month you have to do all of these investments, right? What is going to happen to you in the next month? Next month you don't have enough money to spend on R&D, not enough money to pay salaries, not enough money for production, not enough money for tax, not enough money for utilities, not enough money for marketing and advertisements, not enough money for transport, not enough money for inventory. So what is going to happen to your business? You are going to fail. Your business is going to collapse. So that is the risk in starting a traditional business. only few percentage of the businesses survive after 5 years. Most of the businesses collapse during the first 5 years. So you understand it is very riskier to start a traditional business. Now let's move into network marketing. Is it risky for you to start? What do? Buy a product. Is it risky to buy a product? Is it risky? No, right? You are just buying a product. With this product, you get an opportunity to build a network of distributors. If you build it good, you can make a lot of money. So there's no risk. You spending $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, or whatever the amount you spend to start with a network marketing company, there's no risk. Why there's no risk? Because you are buying a product. There's a huge value for the product you buy, and it is a unique product which stays away from all those traditional products, right? And there's a huge value for that. And with that product, you get a business opportunity if you learn how to build it properly through all the trainings and everything you get through a network marketing company. If you learn and if you build it, you have the chances of becoming a US dollar millionaire. Do you have a risk? No risk, because you spend money and buy a product. That's it. And most of the network marketing companies is just a one-time purchase. You buy a product just one time. That's it. Kalas. So I hope you understood the differences between the level of risk in doing a job or starting a traditional business or being a part of network marketing industry. So during this time, during this crisis, when most people are losing jobs, what solution do they have? Only one solution. Sign up with a network marketing company, buy a product, become a customer first, and then become a distributor and build a huge network. And if you do it right, yes, you have chances of becoming a US dollar millionaire. So I have one message for the people who are doing network marketing right now. You have tremendous opportunities ahead you. When the whole world is suffering and losing their jobs, this is the only way you can help them. You can help out someone saying that, I know your company can't pay you salary, but let me show you a plan. And invite them and show them a network marketing plan and show them how they can become successful in life by achieving something bigger than themselves. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please click on the subscribe button, and thank you for watching. Love you guys.